Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing several quick and simple Valentine's DIYs. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
I've been wondering about you. They said that just one look and I'd get caught too.
For the first DIY, I started off by putting apart this shadow box frame, and with some nail polish, I'm going to be removing "Welcome to Our Beautiful Chaos."
All I do is think about you. Your eyes, your scent, your touch is all I dream of. Now I can't live without you.
Next up, I'm going to be painting the center of the glass with a natural Bristol brush. I usually get mine from Walmart, but you could also find them at Dollar Tree. Once the paint was done drying, I'm going to be using the opposite side of the glass where there's no paint, and I'm going to be adding these poster stickers to spell out the word love.
Some obsess about things. Some turn use into abuse and don't stop until it's too late. But all I do is love you. Maybe someday you will too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh, if only you could see that we are meant to be.
For the second DIY, I started off by painting this wooden heart sign with some black chalk paint.
You've been warned about me. You've heard that all I do.
With some hot glue, I'm just adding the white heart onto the center.
But if only you could see.
I'm going to be using these rub-on transfers that I got at the Dollar Tree. I decided to go with the rose to add onto the center of the white heart.
I feel like I've been here before.
To add some detail to the sign, I'm going to be adding some greenery.
And every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old tide, blinded by the lights, and I'm going through changes, but it's easier with you. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me. I know you've got secrets, but I can't keep on. And we're fading in and out together.
To cover the empty spot that was left, I'm just going to be adding a simple bow.
The field's wide open, stuck in the moment. The field's wide open, stuck in the
I decided to use this old picture frame that I had in my craft stash, and I'm just going to be hot gluing the wooden heart onto the center of the frame.
And I don't need any other help than you standing by my side, if only for a while. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me. I know you've got secrets, but I can't keep on.
For the third DIY, I started off by painting this glass jar I found recently at the Dollar Tree with some chalk paint.
It feels wide open, stuck in the moment.
Once it was done drying, I'm going to be sanding it down just to give it a little distressed look to it.
I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple.
I'm going to be using the same rub-on transfers that I used in the previous DIY, and I decided to go with this little bird, and I'm just going to be adding it onto the base.
Someone said your name had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine.
To fill it up, I'm going to be using this greenery I found at Walmart for $1.47.
Know myself, oh my, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same.
For the last and final DIY, I'm going to be repurposing this tin can, and I'm just going to be painting it with some chalk paint. To make it look distressed, I'm going to be adding some black paint.
I called a couple of friends and we went out, but I never thought I'd see your face. I really wanted to escape, but it
The greenery and the roses that I'm using are from Walmart.
suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine.
So it wouldn't look too plain, I decided to add some twine around the tin can.
I know myself, oh my, it's been a while now since I saw you.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope you all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. With all of that said, I hope you all stay safe and God bless.